In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WordPress site on Hostinger and reinstall WordPress. By the end, you'll have a completely fresh WordPress installation on your hosting account. This process permanently removes your existing website files and database. So make sure you already have any backups you need before you continue. Start by logging in to your Hostinger account and heading to the website section. Here, you'll see a list of sites connected to your hosting. Click Manage on the website you want to reset. This ensures you're working on the correct domain and prevents accidental changes to another project. On the management page, scroll down until you find File Manager, then open it. If you host multiple sites, choose Access Files for the specific website you're resetting, so you're only touching the right files. Inside the File Manager, open the public HTML folder. This is the web root where your WordPress files live. Select everything inside public HTML. You can use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to highlight all items at once. Then click Delete to remove them. Confirm the deletion when prompted and wait for the process to finish. When this completes, your site's files are cleared from the server. Next, delete the database associated with the website. Go back to hPanel, then open Databases and choose Management. In the list, find the database that belongs to your site. If you manage several websites, take a moment to double check you've identified the correct database, because deleting the wrong one could impact another project. Once you've found the right one, click Delete and Confirm. This removes all of your site's content and settings stored in the database, completing the reset. Now you're ready to reinstall WordPress. Return to the Websites section and click Manage for the same domain. Scroll down to Auto Installer and select WordPress. You'll be asked for a site title, along with a username and password for the new WordPress admin account. Choose a strong password and keep it somewhere secure, since you'll use these details to access your dashboard after installation. When everything looks good, click Install. Hostinger will set up a clean WordPress instance for you. Once the installer finishes, your website is back to a default WordPress state, just like a brand new site. From here, you can start fresh with themes, plugins, and content, confident that the previous installation has been fully reset.